Yo, what is going on, everybody? I am Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. Today we will be going to pick up the pair of Air Jordan 12 Low Super Bowl joints. If you have not seen them already, they look exactly like the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, but it's like a low top. We're going to Kick Theory. If you guys don't know about Kick Theory, I'm literally talking about them in every video. It's where I pick up all of my sneakers. Of course, I will link them down below in the description. And if y'all wanted any retro Jordans coming out, you can buy them online. Don't live here in Georgia like me, you can buy them online. They ship to you. Great store, got all the heat. You need to go there. As y'all can see, man, I got the Seattle Supersonics crew neck on, and I also got the Seattle Supersonics 10s. You know what I'm saying? Show the 10s off. You know what I'm saying? I gotta show love to the 10s. Now, I'm not gonna lie. I was one of those guys that never loved the Air Jordan 10. And shout out Hibbett Sports. They sent me the Air Jordan 10s, and I ain't gonna cap, bro. Like, once they sent me these, my love for 10s kind of changed. These feel good. Like, really good. Like, very, what's the word? Very comfortable. Very snug fit. You know what I'm saying? Very swell. I like how they fit on my feet. I think they're really nice. I do have the original Flu Game 12, so I want to show y'all this because, like I said, that the shoes almost the same, at least they look like, but it's just a little bit different. So here we have the Air Jordan 12 Flu Game. And like I said, it looks similar to this. You know, I only wore the shoe like one time. And I know the price went up a lot over the quarantine because Michael Jordan did the documentary. And of course, when we figured out that this is not really the Flu Game, but the pizza game, I would say, the price went up for this like crazy. But I believe what they did is just kind of made this like a low top shoe, kind of cut it. I have not seen it yet, so I don't know if the outer sole and everything else looks the same. But as far as the uppers, it looks like the exact same sneaker as the Air Jordan 12 Flu Game. So guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I'm about to head out now, but beat traffic as much as I can. It's already like 1 o'clock. I kind of started off to a late start. Bring these sneakers back home, man. Let y'all see what they look like. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. I will check in with y'all in a second. Peace. All right, you guys, we are in Kick Theory right now, about to pick up the Air Jordan 12 Low. Is it called the Super Bowl or is it just called the Air Jordan 12 Low? Super Bowl. Super Bowl. Got you. So the Air Jordan 12 Low Super Bowl. By the way, who do you think is going to win the Super Bowl this year?
Man, probably Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay? He going with Tampa. I'm going with Kansas City. Now, I don't mind doing waiters. You know what I'm saying? So I say if the Kansas City Chiefs win, I get one of these nice autographed Allen Iverson shoes over here. Y'all see, he got all these shoes signed and autographed by AI. Are you willing? Matter of fact, since I'm from Cleveland, it's only right we do the LeBron James, St. Vincent St. Mary exclusive. Is that something you willing to wager?
We could talk about it.
That is a no, everybody. That is a no. Anyway, so as you guys can see, Kick Theory will be having the Air Jordan 12 Low Super Bowls in store. If you guys are interested in those sneakers, then make sure you head over to the Instagram, which is linked down below. It has their website, and you guys can buy it online. You don't have to live in Atlanta to purchase the shoe. All you have to do is buy online because they ship to you. And that includes just about all of the releases from today, even February. You know, they're gonna have a lot of stuff in store, bro. So make sure you tap in. A lot of you guys love that Air Jordan 1 UNC that I did, the review that I did. Of course, they will have those too. So a lot of the future and, you know what I'm saying, a lot of the Jordans that's releasing later on out the year, they will have all pairs. Like I said, it's a retail store, not a resale store, so it's all retail price. Make sure you tap into Kick Theory, follow them on Instagram, and check out their website. All right, so when I was inside the store in Kick Theory, I noticed something about these Jordan 12s that was a little bit different from the Flu flu games that I recently picked up earlier in the video. Now, I want to dive into it now. I really do. Like I said, I got the shoe right here, but the only thing is I think it'll be better if I do it at the actual studio. So right now, it is like, let me check my phone real quick. Right now it's 2:30. Rush hour starts in Atlanta around like 2:30, 4 o'clock. So anywhere from 2:30 to 4 o'clock is when they start, and they don't end, it seems like, until like 9:30. If you do not live in Atlanta, bro, don't move here. I'm not from here. I moved here. Bad mistake. Not saying that the city is bad. I absolutely love Atlanta, but it's like we don't have no space for nobody else. Traffic is ass. Anyway, I'm gonna head to the crib and I want to show y'all some small differences that I've seen on the sneaker, and I want to know if y'all see it first take without me kind of like hinting towards it. It's obvious. I'm not gonna lie. It's very obvious. Matter of fact, I think I might do a separate video in whole about the differences and the similarities between the flu games and the Super Bowl lows. If y'all want to see that, comment down below. But now we to the crib. All right, guys, we are finally back at the crib, man. I told y'all I was trying to beat rush hour traffic, but I wasn't able to. I ran into so much traffic. It took an additional hour just to get back to the house. So if y'all did not hit the like button, smash the like button on this video. The effort was undoubtedly in this video for sure. I am tired. I just want a nap right now. That's all I want. I just want a nap. Here we have the Air Jordan 12 Super Bowl. And I'm gonna save most of it talking for the review. But as y'all can see, it's a little bit of confetti on the box because it's built a little bit different. But the cool thing is, if y'all remember the box of the Air Jordan flu game, it's actually pretty much the same. The difference is just like the size being like confetti, and it even still has the quality inspired by the greatest player ever on the side too. I don't think you can see it, it's so lost in the confetti, but it's some white writing on the side. But majority of the shoe is still the same from the Air Jordan 12 flu game. As I open this up, I just want to show y'all very quickly. Here we have it, the Air Jordan 12 Low Super Bowl. It's a lot of mixed opinions about this. It's a lot of mixed feelings about this, and it is a lot of differences in this sneaker than the Air Jordan 12 flu game, the original. I will be tapping into that when it comes down to like the review, because I will be doing a review on these tomorrow. So if you have not subscribed or if you have not hit the notification bell, make sure you do, because you don't want to miss that video. Also, if y'all want me to do the comparison between this sneaker and the actual flu game, then comment that down below too. But I want to try to get a good look at these joints before I get up out of here. These are interesting. I don't know if I like them. I don't know if I dislike them. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure what to think at this moment. I think this is one of those sneakers that I might have to sit on, because I've never really been a fan of highs that converts into lows, right? So like the Jordan 1 high, the Jordan 1 lows, I don't like as much. It's still something I like, okay? You see the Travis Scott ones, lows up there. I like the Court Purple lows. I love those. And I thought they had a dope shattered backboard low too. I thought those were pretty cool. Now when it comes to 11s, I do like 11 lows. I feel like some of those 11 lows are fire, so I have a few pair of 11 lows in my collection. I never really liked the 13 lows like that. The 12 lows aren't really my favorite, to be honest. This might be the first 12 low I ever even held in my hand. I believe last year for the Super Bowl they did like an Air Jordan 10, but they kind of left it the original silhouette and just made it like the Air Jordan 10. But yeah, man, here we go, man. The look, the overall look, y'all see it. The Air Jordan 12 Low Super Bowl. Please comment your thoughts, your opinions of this sneaker. Is it something you're looking forward to? I think I made a mistake in the beginning of the video. I said that it will be released in February 8th. It's actually released in February 6th. I don't even know the retail price for this shoe. Let me look on the side for the retail price. It's $190. So dang, bro, this shoe is $190. Like, that's retail for the highs, bro. I would have thought that it would be a little bit lower because it's a Jordan 12 low. I had no idea it would be the same price as a Jordan high. Well, that kind of makes me feel, yeah, see, y'all, come on, man. That kind of makes me change my mind about this. Bro, this shoe should be $170, all right? And I know a lot of y'all like, bro, $20? Yes, bro, $20. This shoe should be $170 easy, you know, $190. I don't know how many people outside of people who live in Tampa or outside of Chiefs fans or Tampa fans or whoever winning. I'm like, maybe if your team wins the championship, you'll buy this shoe just to, you know, commemorate. As y'all see, I got sneakers all around me that means a lot to me. So maybe this would be like a particular sneaker that, you know, reminds you of that moment for you guys. But for me, I don't think I'll be paying $190 for these, to be honest. It's already a sketchy silhouette. And now you telling me it's the same exact retail price of a high? I don't know. But like I was saying earlier, man, it is your boy, Sniper Jones. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please make sure that you tune in to tomorrow's video for a full breakdown and probably a small side-by-side of the Air Jordan 12 Low and the Air Jordan 12 High. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will catch up with y'all next time, man. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work, though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.